All right, we still have this Honda, brand spanking new. I love brand new cars. It's so easy to take apart. You see, it's all brand new, never been touched before, and I de-virginized it. There you go, black goo everywhere. This is the door mirror. So a little trick: take a razor, right, and sort of pick at it. So this stuff will go everywhere. This is like the goo of the goo you do not want to get in your hands. And luckily it's like 40 degrees out today and it's still sticky. Look at this. What is this stuff? That's it. I'm not getting any more stuff on my hands. So there's 3 bolts. We got one right there. We got one right up under this hole, which I took this cover off because I didn't want to do that one-handed because I didn't want none of this stuff on my fingers. There you go. This reveals that hole. You can see where I sort of picked at it, but whoop-de-doo. No one's going to see that except you guys. But you see? Tiny little thing, but pops right back in. Just like this guy. Pops right back in. Just little plastic rubbers. There's another one right there. Another one up under there. See him? And there's another one right up under him. So there's 2 of them. These are 10 mils. Now let's just double check because I have my handy dandy 10 mil tool. Watch this. Swap meet. I love this thing. And this one is not going to fit. It's got a post on it. Damn it. So let's get the real 10 mil. Here we go. Real 10 mil. Let's see. It is, nope, most definitely 10 mil. And I got it on my hand. All right, I'm leaving you with that. So 3 10 mils. Wire goes in. Actually, does it even have wire? Oh no, it does have a wire. Oh man, where are you going? Oh no. This thing's got to get plugged in on the outside. Should we do it? Let me take it apart. All right, so 3 10 mils are out of the way. And yes, this wire is attached. And god dang it, this puppy goes all the way down into the door. And you gotta follow her all the way down, and it comes back up around here, and it's this puppy. Oh man, I do not want to do that. That's not what this video is about. I'm showing you how to do it. I'm not doing it. Hell no. Man, that would suck. Take the speaker out, get your hand up in there, get that harness out of the way. Oh man, I'm wondering if you could just manage to just change it up here. Oof. That is not for me, not a day like today, but that's not what the whole point of this video about. So I'm going to leave you with like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.